Initiating simulation 026, the ultimate structure. Astronomers look at a star and see it dimming, not by a planet, but by something artificial, a cage built around a sun. This is a Dyson sphere, a megastructure that captures 100% of a star's energy. It is the hallmark of a Type II civilization. If you lived on the inside surface, the horizon wouldn't curve down. It would curve up. You could see cities 90 million miles away, in the sky. The habitable surface area is 600 million times larger than Earth. You could walk for 1,000 lifetimes and never see the same mountain twice. The energy output is 384 yottawatts per second. In 1 second, they generate more power than humanity has used in its entire history. But why build it for biology? Evolution is slow. A Type II civilization might not need bodies. They might turn the star into a matryoshka brain, a computer the size of a solar system. They have uploaded their minds into the cloud. They don't talk to us for the same reason you don't talk to an ant. We are a rounding error in their energy budget. Simulation. Result: if you see a star disappear, run. Think bigger. End log.